Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Thanks for joining me today. Today I wanted to share with you a Christmas card that I got from Betsy Queen. I just love the simplicity and the of this. It's like an old church building. I just love that. Isn't that beautiful? I've painted quite a few churches in my time, and I don't know, it makes me just want to sketch this out and paint it. It's so beautiful. I love that. And this is from Betsy Queen. And I want to tell you what her blog spot is, in case you want to check her out. It's betsy-thesimpleLifeOfAQueen.blogspot.com. So you can go and check Betsy out and see what she is up to. Thank you for sending me the card, Betsy. I appreciate your message in there. And it's very thoughtful of you to send me a card. I appreciate it very much. So let's see if Phoebe is ready for her treat. Are you, Phoebe? Oh, you got some fuzz on you. You ready for your treat? Come on, let's see what you got. Are you ready? What are you ready for? Your treat? Is it a toy or is it a treat today? Huh? A treat? Yeah. This is one of your favorites. This will keep you occupied. But I might get to make my little stockings today. Because this will take her a little while to chew on this treat. Yes, it will, won't it, Phoebe? Yes, it will. Look at there. She loves those little rawhide stick things, and it's wrapped in chicken. She loves that. So I need to open my little baggie for day 12. Let's see what I have in here. Ooh, we'll go with the yarn first. Oh, some bright, pretty green bulky yarn. That would definitely make a beautiful stocking. So, I'm not going to show you anything new on the door today because I'm filming 11 and 12s on the same day, and I have not made my stocking with the other yarn quite yet, but I'm just about to make stockings with both of these. And the other little thing in my baggie is some earbuds. I go through earbuds pretty quickly. When I get in the bed at night, I turn my iPad on mainly to just give my mind something to focus on so it doesn't like think about everything in the world and wonder all these crazy questions in the middle of the night. If my mind focuses on what I'm watching, I can relax and actually fall asleep. So I usually fall asleep with earbuds in my ear, just one. I just put this one in. I lay on this side and watch my iPad. So I fall asleep with that, and then eventually it comes out, and I don't know, they get tangled super easy, and I tear them up pretty quickly. So thankful for that. I can put in my nightstand drawer. So sometimes my earbuds don't work when I put them in. Like, I don't know, they wear out quickly with me. I can just reach over my nightstand and get another pair out. So that was a great thinking. So today I read Luke 12, and I just would like to say that when I started my YouTube channel, you know, it's just gonna be about yarn and not anything about personal life or whatever, but hey, my personal life just creeped in. And so guess what? I am a Christian, and so that part of my life creeped in too. And I'm not ashamed that I'm a Christian. And that's who I am. And so every now and then something might come up, you know, that I say something you know, about Jesus or whatever. And so this month, I mean, I haven't like heavily in the past or anything like that. Just every now and then I might have, you know, asked for prayer or said I was praying for someone or something like that, you know, because that is who I am. And I'm not going to hide that part of my life. But, you know, my channel's not about that. So it's not like the main focus. But this month, you know, we're all celebrating Christmas, and people celebrate Christmas whether they are Christian or not. But I just want to, you know, I'm reading Luke a chapter a day, and so I'm just sharing what I got out of the chapter, you know, and it may not be what you get out of the chapter or anybody else gets out of the chapter. It's just what I got out of the chapter or what came to my mind as I was reading it. And so it reminded me of something else or whatever, you know. So anyway, saying all that to say, some people don't like that I'm doing that, and that's fine. That's your choice. But this is my choice, you know. And I've lost subscribers this month, and that's okay. You know, if that's the way they feel, that's the way they feel. I hate that, and I'm sorry for them, but it's okay. This is me, and I am who I am. I'm not ashamed that I'm a Christian, and I'm not going to hide it and pretend that I'm not when I most certainly am. And so there's plenty of other channels, people who aren't Christian and don't want to hear the occasional, you know, pray for me or I'm praying for so-and-so, or even what I got out of a Bible verse that I read, you know, a chapter of this month. People who don't want to hear that, there's plenty of other yarn channels and people out there they can watch. So, you know, it's all okay. But this is me and this is who I am. So I just wanted to share that. And I appreciate you all. I do appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate you for tuning in and watching every day and commenting and just you being a part of my life. I appreciate that so much. You all mean a great deal to me. And I just want to tell you all that, you know, that you do mean a lot to me. I'm normally at home, but I've been having to drive a lot lately because we were down 2 vehicles. Hopefully we'll get Jody's truck fixed. Oh, and I don't think Dakota's going to work on his car. He's put a lot of money into the car. He said he's just going to wait till after the new year and then look into getting another car. So hopefully we're going to get Jody's truck fixed soon, because at the moment I'm having to do a lot of driving. It's not, and I'm not getting out and going in stores and shopping or anything like that. I'm just driving people around, picking them up, taking them where they need to go, and picking up this person and taking them, you know. Oh, it's wore me out. So normally I am at home a lot, and you're my people. Y'all are my people. And so I come on here and I talk to y'all. I read your comments and converse when I can. You know, it's hard to comment, reply back and stuff when, excuse me, when I'm working on projects and trying to get things done, or either when I'm in the car driving around. But anyway, I do appreciate you all very much just watching. Okay, so I will see you all again soon, and I hope you all have a blessed day.